What's up, marine science students? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm out here in Mollusks Bayou and I'm currently fishing. You can see my kayak right here. So far I've caught a couple different species. Got me a speckled trout, catfish, redfish, hybrid bass. But really what I wanted to stop and show you as I was sitting here fishing on this little point here, I wanted to stop and I wanted to show you a few things. So the first thing is I'm out here again on Mollusks Bayou. It's a beautiful day. It is currently low tide. The fish have been biting, live shrimp, which is good. And it's a beautiful day out here. A few clouds in the sky, but mostly sunny. The water temperature is actually starting to warm up. But as I look around at this beautiful landscape, look at what we have here. Here we have a balloon. And this just goes to show you that no matter what. And so as I walk along the bank here, it is a little muddy, and but I wanted to show you a couple of things that I thought was unique. The first thing are these little guys right here. These are marsh snails. This is a member of the phylum Mollusks, and these are in the class Gastropoda. These are known as gastropods, and they are called marsh snails because they're found here where the water meets.
A little bit more information about the marsh snail. They're also referred to as the marsh periwinkle. The scientific name is Littorina irorata. I believe that's how you pronounce that. They are native to the Gulf Coast, so they're found from the south coast of Florida all the way up into Texas along the Gulf of Mexico. And they reach typically about 1 inch, so they're pretty small snails. They feed on algae and detritus, usually in the water or up on land, as you saw in the video. Their status is stable, so they're not an endangered species at all. Their main predators are blue crabs and other types of crabs, mud crabs, terrapin turtles. And so in order to avoid those predators, they actually can climb up the stalks of the Spartina alterniflora to escape those predators.
This marsh grass is species named Alterniflora spartina, or Spartina alterniflora, I believe. And you can see it is a rhizome plant. So you can see here that here's a kind of a rhizome right here. And just like similar to seagrass, this Spartina alterniflora grows up from these rhizomes. So all this out here that you see really is just one large plant species. And I was walking along here and I saw something that was pretty cool. We just learned a little bit about, or you just observed some marsh snails. Here's some more over here actually in the water. And you can see they kind of hang on to the plant, and as the tide rises, so do the marsh snails. Now they can live underwater. As you can see, some of them are underwater, but there's thousands of these things out here, and I'm gonna pick some up and bring them back and show you. Got some fish in here, but also look right here. I thought this was cool. Look at this. Now I have no idea what this is, what kind of clam this is, but this is definitely a clam. This is also in the phylum Mollusks, and this is actually a bivalve. Remember, bi meaning two, valve is another word for shell, and here you have it. I would crack this open and look inside, but I'm gonna leave it alone, put it back where he was. So that's pretty cool. Again, you gotta get out and you gotta explore, and some of the things you'll find are pretty awesome. You know, we do have another bivalve right here that's obviously been broken up. We also have some, I mean, look at this, cigarette wrapper. Isn't that nice? Anyways, I wanted to show you some of the local species of mollusks that we have here, marsh snails, clams, and again, you can see the remnants of them all in here. And even this one right here, this is pretty cool. It's got a type of crustacean known as a barnacle. We'll be getting into barnacles in our next phylum. But there are remnants of these clams and these, what appear to be some sort of mussel here, scattered throughout. Little marsh red. Little marsh red on a Thursday night with the sun going down. Beautiful fish. Letting it go. There you go, buddy. Go. There she goes. So, hope you enjoyed the video. And make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you next video.